Alright, we have Cindy Tissick here from the UB Libraries, and she's going to show us a little bit about Cmaps and how she uses it. So take it away.
Alright, thank you very much. I use Cmaps at the graduate level for students who are doing a dissertation and they don't necessarily have a narrowed enough dissertation topic. So they brainstorm their topic using Cmap.
Now briefly, what's Cmap?
Well, Cmap is the name of the software. It was created by the Institute of Human and Machine Cognition, and it creates a concept map, a map of a main concept and all the variables that then branch out.
Learning happens with undergraduates, graduates, and teaching happens by professors.
So you put in the concept and it finds relevant words for it?
Right, you simply click on the screen and a bubble appears and you put the main concept that you're working on. And then what you have to do is you have to think of all the different variables that you might know of that would impact that particular concept. And then what you do is you then click and drag the line to create a secondary, third, fourth, fifth bubble. And then what you're going to be able to do, if I can just pause this for a second.
So you're saying it has its own built-in dictionary of some sort?
Right. It'll start to then build the concepts for you. And then what this allows a student to do is to be able to narrow something down. So in terms of education technology, that being our main topic. There's theories of education technology. There's theorists that have developed these theories. It's applied in education K through 12, higher education, adult education. It's used by librarians, teachers, professors. So what happens then is the student at the graduate level can decide, okay, I want to focus on how professors use education technology and the theories in higher education. See, at first they just started with a really broad topic, and through concept mapping, we're able to narrow themselves down. Another thing it also allows you to do as a student is it allows you to create an outline of your entire concept. And then what you can also do is start to build a bibliography through the Cmap tools, because it is attached to Windows and Word, as you start to find material for your actual topic. Now, there are a number of videos that the Institute for Human and Machine Cognition have come up with. And let me just... And they are off of YouTube. It's RCARVAJA is the name of the user that's created them. And again, they do come right from the Institute. So you have like an introduction of using Cmaps, and then you have a lot of videos on more in-depth use of Cmaps. It's used all over Europe in elementary education and in higher education, and it's a way to visualize the information that you know and to visualize your topic. And since a lot of people are visual learners, a lot of people find this extremely helpful.
Now, what's the key advantage of using Cmap over, say, some other tools?
Well, I think it's because of its graphical representation, and it allows you to do so much with it. Like if you created a main concept and you branched out and decided you wanted to narrow yourself down, you can then create a whole nother map for that narrowed down topic and go from there, which a lot of the other concept mapping tools don't allow you to do. They also are working on doing a search using natural language processing and applying the map that you learned, or the map that you created, I'm sorry, applying the map that you created to a search engine like Google. So it also has that's in beta testing, but that's a really nice way for you to search your topic using natural language, what you've created. So, and it also beats the pen and paper, which is the way I used to teach students how to brainstorm and create a concept map.
So it's kind of like mind mapping, except that it fills in all the blanks for you.
Right, and it highlights to you when you've missed something, when you don't have an action verb that's supposed to connect one concept to the subconcept or the variable. So it does that for you too. It double checks your work. NASA uses it a lot. They used it a lot to create the Mars mission. It's used heavily by the government, our government, and it's also used heavily by a lot of businesses for organizational structure, to really keep meetings flowing. So there's a lot of uses for it outside of education. So.
Cool, and it's free. You can get it from what website?
Let's see. There it is.
Okay, so we're looking at Cmap Tools Knowledge Modeling Kit, and it's available at cmap.ihmc.us. And you can Google for Cmap and you'll find this page. So this is what Cmap is. It's pretty cool. Well, thanks a lot, Cindy.
Oh, you're welcome.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.